Good morning, dear kids. Welcomes you in today's teacher's talk. It is a long time to see you people due to this unexpected pandemic. School has provided us an opportunity to interact with you and to guide you time to time for your inner strength and moral guidance. Let us discuss a story for this. There was a king who had great fascination and love for paintings. One time he decided to offer a very valuable prize to the artist who would paint a beautiful picture depicting peace. On the final day of judgment, many artists brought their paintings with the hope of winning that valuable prize. The king looked at all the paintings and selected two. And now he had to choose one of the two paintings for the valuable prize. The first painting is a beautiful lake with transparent water, and it was the perfect mirror to the towering mountain surrounding it. Above it was the clear sky with white fluffy clouds like cotton balls floating in the space. Anybody who saw this painting thought it was the masterpiece representing peace. Now the turn of second painting. The second painting had mountains too, but rugged, dry, bare. And these mountains have angry sky over there. Overcast the dark clouds and lightning. There was a massive downpour of rains. All people who saw this painting thought about peace. How is it related to peace? As the king looked closer, he saw behind this rumbling waterfall there was a crack in the rock, and through that crack there was a branch, and on the branch a mother bird was there. She was feeding her kids peacefully. Now can you imagine, dear children, which painting was depicting peace? Which one do you think did the king choose for the valuable prize? The first one or the second one? Let us assume in our mind and try to match our view with the king's view. Now the turn of result came. Everyone is waiting, including we people, and the result is the second painting. Most of the people were surprised. To satisfy them, the king explained, peace doesn't mean to be in a place where there is a noise, there is no trouble, no hard work, where there is no trials, no tribulation, and no difficulty. Peace means to be in the middle of all the mayhem and chaos, and yet to stay calm. This is the important part, yet to stay calm. Yes, my dear children, yet to stay focused and being original. If you like singing, then sing. If you like dancing, then dance. Don't try to be photocopy of others. As you are the best. But if someone is your role model, don't make yourself photocopy of that person. Only take motivation and go ahead. You will achieve the inner peace. All other things are materialistic. This incident visit us the inward journey of peace. Isn't that the story of real life? Yes, it is the story of real life, my sweet kids. Spirituality is the art of bringing inner peace and inner calm with all kinds of difficulties, trouble and problems. And that is the actual meaning of real peace. In this hard period, may God bless strength and peace to all. Thank you.